Alright, I got my new dash cam in, and this one's 3 cameras. I like the idea of having a cam inside, so pretty much, we get 100% of everything indoors and outdoors when it comes to the cam. I also like how I can change the screens around too. So, but anyway, there's the indoor cam. This one on the other side has this part of the cam. This actually swings around. It has a little clip there where you can just take this right off of there. So it's really cool. Very easy to set up. I just pop in the card and it's ready to go. It's already recording now. So, so anyway, I just have my cords coming around. Have it plugged in here, and then I have pretty much the cord here hidden, and it goes to the back, and it has a really nice cam. Now, one thing nice about that cam is that it rotates completely for absolutely perfect positioning. Some of those are just like the one I had before. I had a really hard time positioning it, but this one just positions so easily. I want to show how nice that one is though. On this thing just twists. Little clips, and you twist it exactly where you want it. Then go all the way down over this way. Nice heavy cord, and it actually sticks really well. So anyway, and it comes through and it goes underneath my seat. But that's pretty much hidden in there. But anyway, I just wanted to show how nice this was with the 3 screens. And the screen is big. I really like how big the screen is. I can definitely see everything in it. The other one I had was very tiny. This one just works out really good. And very clear, nice picture, beautiful picture. No cons. Works great for me.